split for your lives.
Let me hear it.
It's my turn. I want to see you back. Or you think you will ruin my home, destroy my happiness, and go free? Is that what you think?
No, it's not my fault though. It's
Never.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Hey! Aunt Agatha, the architect of every evil that has happened in my home. Are you happy?
It's not me.
You are a monster. And my worst regret.
What is going on here?
Oh my goodness. Thank you very much. Good morning, my love.
Good morning, sweetheart.
You did this again?
Yeah. I know you worked late into the night, so I decided to wake up and make this before you wake up.
Thank you. You know, if there is anything that is going to kill me in this life, it should be your love and support. Honey, it's too much for just one person.
No. It's not too much. You deserve everything good.
I love you.
Love you more.
Come here.
Okay, come on, let's eat. You have this.
Thank you.
saw Chadi and a boy with some men in our farmland.
Doing what?
The one at Lisa Junction.
Give a hand, doing what?
I don't know. Come, so that you go see for yourself.
Oga, you see this land now? It's a corner piece. Yes. From this side now to that side. You see that tree there? So you see that this land is massive enough to accommodate the factory project you are talking about. Okay, Oga, you see now, this land now is massive enough to accommodate the factory project you are talking about. See now, from that place to this, it's a level land.
Yes, it is.
This is on the road.
I know, but I need to know how many plots of land is here. And so I suggest we get a surveyor that will take.
So that one is after payment. Yeah, it's not a problem. It's not a problem. After payment, we will get a surveyor. Let's go to our office so that we can sit down and discuss it.
Look at them.
What is it? They go to invest. Him and Andy are investors. They go to different villages to invest, you know. So they want to invest. Him and Becca make a what?
I don't want to sell my land. It is not.
What's going on?
My land is not.
No, it's nothing. It's nothing.
Something is going on. Something is going on.
It is my land. It is not for sale. I don't want to sell my land. I'm going now. Shady Yoshi.
Wait.
I'm not agree. I'm not agree.
Hey, Alpha. I'm good, man. What's up?
I'm good. Look at this. Hello?
Okay.
This new project in Abuja that we're doing by Sense Communication. A friend of mine sent it to me, so I feel we should just look into it and see if we can give it a shot.
This looks good. Very good. You know, Zen Communication is a global brand, and if we can work on these projects, it is going to boost our brand as an IT company. Yeah.
Exactly my thoughts. So, you say we're digging, right?
It's all about making more funds.
Okay. So you just take your time and go
correct
through.
this.
No. This is for you. You have to feel this. Then I'll do the rest.
Oh God, I can't afford to lose another money from my salary. If this should happen, it will be 3 months in a row. God!
Just calm down, we'll find it. Yes, I found it.
What?
I found it.
Are you serious? Oh my God, babe, thank you so much. God bless you for me.
You're welcome.
What would I have done without you, baby girl? Thank you, God bless you. You know our manager is so mean. He could have deducted that money from my salary without a second thought.
Well, thank God we found it. What are friends for if not for things like that? Friends or no friends, you should be more explicit with your work.
But I'm trying.
No, try harder.
Yes, ma. I've heard you. Thank you. God bless you for me.
Bless you too.
Appreciate God.
Oh yeah, to your office.
So actually, me have.
Nine.
Nine. Greetings, Nine.
Greetings, Mom.
Nine. Thank God I met you here. I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
All is not well. There is fire on the mountain.
Fire, quoi?
You know that my father's land, close to Lisa Junction. I met a boy and Chiadi trying to sell that land to some men.
Hey! Chiadi again.
It's your kumnine. Hey! A woman reported this same matter to the Igwe and council the other day. And now it's your own land. In fact, this boy is now going around selling people's land without their consent. But you see, we are on it. And trust me, very soon he will be arrested. Yes, he will be arrested. But meanwhile, you have to follow me to the palace so you can go and make the matter official. Eh? My father's land is Chiadi now, boy.
Hold on. Hey, babe.
You're here.
You're back? Welcome. Sorry. You're welcome.
You didn't tell me you were coming. Huh?
Really, Alex? Alex? Ready?
Yeah.
So, I now need to inform you before coming over to your house. Why did you not give me your spare key?
That is not what I mean, babe. What I'm saying is, what if you come and I'm not around? You know the nature of my job, yeah? You know I can travel at any time.
And so? Alex. Alex, is everything okay with us?
Absolutely. Everything is fine, okay? I need to shower.
Thank God it's done.
Yeah. And that was a great performance out there, baby girl.
For real?
Yeah, sure.
Did you notice I almost stuttered when the MD walked in?
You did?
Of course I did.
I can notice.
Please. What is going on? I noticed you've been moody since morning. What's up? Talk to your girl. What's going on?
Is it obvious?
Girl, it's written all over your face. What is it?
What is Alex.
Alex? Yeah. What about him?
He's been acting weird. He doesn't call me like he used to. He doesn't check up on me like he used to. Could you imagine that I went to his house yesterday and Alex was asking me why didn't I call before coming over?
Alex that I know?
Yeah. Alex that you know. That's why I've been dead worried. It feels like he's slipping off my hands just like that. So fast. But you know I love him so much. I can't afford to lose him. Like, I don't want to.
You're not going to lose him. You won't. Probably he's been so busy with work lately.
I think so.
Yes, I'm sure. That will be the only reason. Okay, you know what? I am going to call him and talk to him. Of course, you know he will listen to me.
Never mind, I'll handle it. Yeah, I will.
You will?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well, to cheer you up, I just want to take you out for lunch. So you name any restaurant of your choice and we're there.
You know my favorite already, so why accent?
Then it's lunchtime already. Let's go, baby.
Alright.
That's good. Omake etua. Omaka. And you know, as the only child of your late parents, I want you to always remember that it is your responsibility to take care of all the left behind. No. Ichizogo. Hell, so can 1 year bolo. I've not heard anything from you about your wife being pregnant. Or not the berime. No. Can't wait for no one. Here. Can I go and give you? Can I go and give? I must make a lot that.
So, how did you go at the palace?
You know my way now, as usual. As I bribe Chionu, the palace secretary, with no physical evidence, case closed. That's all. My man. Okay, so
sharp guy.
Yes, now. See, we need another device of making ends meet. Because we can't continue like this now. Man must survive. So I will tell you.
In that case now, I have one suggestion.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Now.
See this road now. If you walk down, we get to the junction. Take your right. When you move to your right, there's an uncompleted building.
Yes.
By that right, you pass that uncompleted building. There's a ditch. You pass through that under that gutter.
I just got an email from Zen's Communication stating that we have to be in Abuja tomorrow for the meeting and the presentation.
Good news.
Yeah.
Good news.
But the problem is the timing. Man, the timing is so wrong. Have you forgotten that I have to be in Port Harcourt same tomorrow for the Evergreen project with Mr. X?
Then right then, I'll reschedule the meeting date.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh, that's not possible. I mean, you know how long we've waited and prayed for this opportunity. You know other companies are vying for this same opportunity, so come on. If we snooze, we lose. We can't do that.
So what do we do?
I suggest you go for the meeting.
You are the initiator of this project, so you have to be there.
I wish I could, but come on, I can't be in 2 places at the same time. I can't be in Abuja and Port Harcourt. So, you go for the meeting while I go for Port Harcourt. Come on, bro. You will do well.
You just have to be there.
You have to be there.
So, how do we do this tonight?
There's no thinking about it, bro.
Sweetheart, there's something I want to tell you.
Okay.
I'll be going to Abuja first thing tomorrow morning for the Zane project.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Babe, I hope it's not one of those long trips.
No. Not at all.
For how long would you be gone?
Just a week.
A week? Honey, that's way too long. You mean I'm going to be alone all by myself in this house?
Babe, before you know it, I'll be back.
Oh, babe, now I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. But what if you invite Bliss to come and be with you till I'm back?
I would have loved to, but right now Bliss is going through a lot and I don't want to bother her.
It's just for a week anyway.
Baby, that 1 week is long.
It's not long. It's not long. But you know it, I'll be back. Okay?
Make it 4 days now.
It's just for 1 week.
5 days. Please, I just want you to come back real quick.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Going to Port Harcourt on the business trip.
And you never bothered to let me know?
I was gonna call you. Yeah?
I called the number more than 5 times this morning, you didn't pick.
I'm sorry about that, okay? My phone has been on silent. I'm so sorry.
Alex, what is happening? What is going on?
What?
You don't care anymore. I can feel it, Alex. It feels like I'm forcing myself on you.
Listen, please. I don't know why you're trying to make out issues out of nothing. Okay, I've told you times with that number that we're cool, we're fine. Okay, there's no problem.
No, we're not. We're not cool. Alex, why is it taking you so long to make me your wife? Why? I mean, take a look at your friend Paul and Pearl. They're happily married for a year now. What is keeping us, Alex? What? Instead of our bond to get stronger, it's getting weaker by the day. Talk to me, what is happening? What is going on?
You know what? I have a flight to catch, okay? I don't want to miss my flight. We'll have this conversation when I come back.
Alex.
Oh. Sorry. Alright? I'll see you when I come back. Can you come and open the door for me to leave? Please.
Another negative. And here I am thinking I was going to give him the best news of his life. I was so excited this was going to be positive. Dear God, why is it taking so much time? Why? Please, I beg you, dear God, grant me the fruit of the womb. I need a child, even if it's just one, that's all I ask of. Please, give me a child. Hey, please.
What is it? Are you tired?
What's your problem?
Mama, want this girl. Want this girl. I'm not her mate. She has insulted and disrespected me enough in this house.
Oh, shut up.
Hey, if I've disrespected you, why don't you go to your husband's house? Yes. What will you do?
If you fall me, even if I fall to him, why you all?
Sister, welcome.
What is going on? Can you imagine these children? Sir, why are you back?
Mama, I'm done with my final exams.
Sister, welcome. Did you buy biscuits?
You and biscuits. How many fancy let's go inside?
You know this nonsense girl.
It's okay.
Don't go and meet your husband. You are here.
Shut up.
Mama, leave me. I'm going out. It's me and you.
We are not done. Oh yeah, that is it. Okay, I can't lie.
Hey. You're not fighting us. Yes, I'm mentioning Hey. Aboy, wait now. I'm still talking to you. Oh, Aboy.
Okay, what?
Wait now.
What? What is it?
You're acting up. I said I'm sorry. Please.
I've heard you.
Yeah, forgive me now. I'm sorry.
Are you done talking?
Not really.
Oh, Ama, leave me.
Let's go to the shop and talk.
I can't go there, please.
Why?
Ama, leave me now.
Please now. Let's go to the shop and talk now. Please now. Baby now. You know I miss you.
I didn't miss. Leave me.
Babe.
Stop now. Leave me, please.
Babe now. Yeah, let's go to the shop now.
Okay. I will not now. Leave me.
Why are you acting up now? What's all this?
Amara, come on, give me 2 bottles of water. Amara, I need 2 bottles of water. Amara, give me 2.
Oh, leave me alone. What is it? See, I'm not in the right frame of mind this morning. Don't even try me, please. Don't disturb me.
I don't understand. Amara, you mean I left my shop to come here and play with you this morning? Come on, give me 2 bottles of water, my friend. Let me go back to my shop.
See. Don't even stress me. Don't stress me. Just go out. Go. Just leave this place.
I should go out?
Yes, go.
I should go.
I don't want to sell. Go.
Don't want to sell?
Yes.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I blame your mother for leaving this shop for you.
So how far are the waka yesterday?
Okay, that is. Why you no come join us now? I called you to join us. So what happened?
Shadi, my body don't carry that movement. No. When I wake up and I wasn't feeling cool.
Sorry, wasn't feeling cool. Anyway, we went and it went well. It was soft. Do my way now, Shadi way. I pinned them down. See,
Shadi, okay.
Mama, so we strike now. Where go? Follow my percentage.
Yeah, the strike have now strike me now. That is show me love now. Oh, I beg.
Don't show you love. Wait. Call you for job. You do not show up for job and then you want to get percentage. No, now. When they call you for job, you work, you get your percentage. Work all the roll on that percentage. But I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you love as bank or POS.
No, Chiade, no. It's
Talk
not
another
my
thing.
guy. You be. And I'm not asking for percentage. Normal Roger now.
Okay, there's nothing like Roger. I work with that. Don't share percentage. One man dey with the percentage. Call you for job, come for job, collect your percentage. You don't come work, no percentage, no roja. Ah. See,
Be your guy.
it's just the winner. We go meet for that woman place for him.
I know I'll come. But
very, very came here. I'm going to be concerned now. Because I'm going to put all on now. How for work? Later now. Odi. Chiade. Chiade.
Obim now. I said I'm sorry. Please. I promise it won't happen again. Please.
Daddy.
Are you sure?
What's that? I need money. I'm broke. And it's urgent.
I don't have any money with me now.
No sales today.
No. I couldn't make any sales today because I was in a very bad mood. Couldn't sell anything. I was very angry this morning. But I will go inside and check.
Turn that this thing upside down. Check anyhow. What is this?
4,500.
It's more now only.
I told you I couldn't make sales today now, And you know that I'll have to go home with some money. I need to do accounts now. I need to give my mommy some money, so that's all I can afford for today.
Economy now, 4,000 cannot do anything. Thank you.
Please manage it, And you know, it's weekend soon. Hopefully, I'm going to make enough sales for us. I promise.
Better do.
I will.
Or this thing will not go anywhere.
I will.
Just one bottle of beer or two. It's gone.
It's okay. Hey, I know you must be hungry.
Very, very, very hungry.
I know. I reserve a soup for you.
Come on, bring it.
Let me go and bring it.
Goat or fish?
Fish. Very hot.
I'm so hungry. Ama. Put the tape. Okay. Give me water.
Okay. In the spirit of celebration, having successfully signed Zen Communication and Evergreen project, I say congratulations to us.
Congratulations.
More
Congratulations.
win, more deal.
Yeah. Mega deal.
Absolutely.
Cheers.
Thank you, dear.
Cheers.
Cheers. More deals.
Cheers. More contract. More appointments.
Please enjoy yourself.
Guys, when is it happening?
What is happening?
What? You and Liz I mean, it's high time you guys got married already.
What are you waiting for?
Did she put you up to this?
Come on, Alex. Of course not. I mean, you two have been dating for years, isn't it? I'm certain you will make an amazing couple.
Thank you very much, okay? Thank you for the compliments, but no thanks. Look, I am not ready for marriage right now, okay? If I'm ready, I will let you guys know.
Alex.
Can we enjoy our meal, please?
You see the way you mentioned our name, Bell Paul. I should be saying Alex.
Please.
Mama, this is all I made today.
₦3,000. Don't understand. But you said you finished selling the pepper soup. And I'm sure it's Ilalumanya, Magidi, and you are giving me 3,000 naira for today's sales. Onyekulu.
Mama, that's all the money. That's all the money I made from today.
Meaning, they are giving me 3,000 naira. I said that's all the money made for today. Makagenese. Are you finished selling everything? Makagenese.
Mama, I don't understand you. This is all I made from today's sales. So Mama, after stressing myself, staying at the shop the whole day, this is how you're going to appreciate me, Mama. This is how you're going to appreciate me. Mama. You know what? I'm tired. I need to go inside and rest. Good night.
Hey! Magidi, my pepper soup, my money in here, 3,000 naira. But whenever I go to that shop, I make enough money. But if she goes, she'll come back with small money. No now. All the come is Meko Mori or she sells on credit. No! I'm a Lesmeko Mori. Hey! I'm a Lesmeko Mori. I'm a Lesmeko. Hey!
Who is this, please? How dare you calling me by this time? Are you stupid?
Baby.
Yeah.
Who was that?
I don't even know. It's just a wrong number.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
You think this is a joke? Wait until I show up at your doorstep.
What's I'm pregnant for? Hello? Excuse me, what's the meaning of this? What sort of joke is this? Hello? Hello?
Girl, I took a pregnancy test simply because I vomited that morning. Girl, all I could think was that I'm pregnant. I rushed out to have the test done and it came out negative. I felt so bad.
Kid, I can understand how you feel. I do. I'm a woman like you. But believe me and trust God. You will definitely conceive. You will going to bear children for your husband and yourself.
Please, when? Paul and I have done all the tests we need to do. And it all came out well. What's keeping me from conceiving?
Like I said, you just have to trust God. Trust the process. It will happen.
I have trusted God. I've done everything. You have no idea what I take every day just to get pregnant.
I understand. You just have to calm down. God's time is the best.
Honestly, I can't wait. I can't wait to...
You know you can't wait. Me, I can't wait to be an aunt. Because I know it's going to happen soonest. You're going to give me a baby girl. Or maybe a baby boy. Or maybe you give me two at the same time. I'm here to pick up the raw data file for OC's project.
Mama! Mama, I'm done, no.
Why on?
Mama, it's 7,000.
That is what I can provide now. What do I eat? Tell your teacher that I said that you bring the balance next tomorrow. Huh?
But the money is 11,500.
Then tell them I'll give you the balance next tomorrow.
Okay, okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Don't worry. Don't lose that money. I don't know what is wrong with this girl. Huh? Because these days, she barely come home with tangible amount of money. Ha! Oh.
Well, I believe if he pays him the money, we'll just go ahead and do the business. That's my take on it, though.
Which one you do? Becky no play with my heart, yo. Show me love, I will show you love.
Paul, what's up with this, your phone? Like, since we got here, I've been talking and you're not responding. I am certain that is not your wife you're chatting with. What's going on? Paul. Talking to you.
Oh, what's up? What did you say?
Talking. I've been talking since you got here. I'm talking about the business, you're not responding. I'm asking, who are you chatting with? You're not also responding. What's up?
Nothing. It's just a game. Yeah.
A game?
Yeah, a new game I'm addicted to. This is really new.
A new game?
Yeah.
Paul, this is strange.
Well, you know, we try new things every day. Yeah.
When you find your soulmate, love is real, love is kind. But when it's not genuine, it brings disaster. When it's not genuine, it brings disaster. Show me good love. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie Dalima.
Please now. You know I've missed you. It's
I have
been
a
long you
business
made
to
me
do.
feel like a woman.
Okay. Maybe I'll do that when I come back.
No, wait. Mine not important.
Okay.
Mm. This is all you know how to do, just to take money from me.
Not be your fault, oh. You don't fall in love. Oh.
Fine. How are you? This is 5,000 naira. Manage it. That's all I have for now. There is no money.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can manage this one. Thank you. I need to rush off.
Wait now. Why are you in a hurry to leave? Babe. You know I've missed you. And it's been long you made me feel like a woman.
Amara, I know, but I have a business to catch up now. Maybe when I come back.
The business should wait now. Am I not important?
Babe, I will see you. I will see you when I come back.
No. Let's go inside.
To do it here?
Let's go inside now.
I will try. I'll come and see you.
Are you sure?
I will try.
Promise me you'll come.
I will come.
When will you come?
I will come when I come back.
You can't even hug me. It's not fair. It's not fair. All you know is to take money from me. Can't even be romantic for once.
Get Mama, who took the money I kept in my bag?
Which money, kwa?
The 5,000 naira I kept in my bag is missing.
Here.
Mama.
Yeah, Chamaka. Did you take any money from my bag?
Money, kwa? No. Have you asked Sister Mara?
She's not at home. She has gone to the shop. Wait now. When she come back,
Mama, don't ask me to wait now. What happened to the money? Did the money grow wings and fly out of my bag?
Yeah.
Sure. Are you sure she's in the shop? Cause Is that not Sister Marana boy?
This better not be true.
Mama, this better not be true.
Rubbish.
I'm sure I saw. Mama, I'm coming. Stop.
What could she be doing with our boy? Our boy. Of all the men in this village, Obola boy yefu. Na masere ife. Yeah. Oh.
You've been to school.
Amara. What is it? What money are you talking about?
The money I kept in this bag is missing. Where is it?
And so, your money is missing. You're asking me. How am I supposed to know? Amara, I saw you with a boy when I was coming back from school. Oh, shut up your mouth. You saw who? You saw who? You saw me giving money to our boy. And so, does it mean the money belongs to her?
Amara, hey, wait. Amara, you gave a boy money.
I mean, you gave a boy money? Are you okay? And so, it's my money, so I have the right to spend it anyhow I want. You don't have the right to tell me how to spend my money or who to give it to. Please, don't try to...
Asiasi, you lied. Not when you stole the money. What's my money?
You stole your money. Let me. Me
stole your money.
Let me
have my money.
You stole it. Ada, don't stress me, oh. Ada, leave me. I don't take your money, oh. I did not take your money.
Let me have my money.
Ada, touch me, oh. Ada,
have my money.
I did not take your money. What? I'm gonna give me. Ada, leave me alone.
Let me. You get out.
I'm gonna take that money. Where are you going? Let me. Ada, you want to take the money?
How's it been?
Cool. I love you, girl.
I love you too. But it's been a while you called me by my name.
Please just be like this. Please.
Okay.
Penelope. Yeah, Penelope. You're in town? Oh. Where are you? It's okay, I'll be there shortly.
These are your wife's shoes.
My wife's shoes? Did you... Were you in my house last night?
You left me with no choice. Yes, I was there.
You broke into my house or what?
I am not a cheap criminal.
Then how did you enter my house?
Babe, I think I heard some footsteps downstairs.
Footsteps?
Yes, I heard someone downstairs. I think there's someone in this house.
There's nobody there. Come on, go back to sleep. Come on, there's nobody. Go back to sleep, okay? Come on, sleep.
Babe, honey, I am sure, okay? I heard some footsteps, I'm sure. Why not please go down and check if the doors are locked?
Oh. Babe, there's no one downstairs.
Babe,
Why don't you just...
I heard something. I heard something. Okay? Please now, baby, just go.
I'm sleepy. Why do you want me to go downstairs now?
Just manage, please.
Oh. There's no one there.
Baby, just check. Baby, go now.
Who is there? Anybody there? Who is that?
That was it. Remember, I know all the hook and cranny of your house the last time I visited before your wedding. So I came.
So what do you want?
You already know what I want. And I didn't come here for you to ask me stupid questions. I am carrying your child.
You know I cannot marry you. And I cannot tell my wife about our affair, nor the pregnancy. You know this is just a mistake. And it's capable of ruining my marriage.
Are you kidding me? This was just a mistake. You slept with me without protection. I was on my own. You called me that you flew into Abuja, that you needed company, blah, 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 blah. I came to you. We spent a whole week together and you called this a mistake?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I was just trying to say that...
Trying to say what? Trying to say what? That you didn't remember you're married before you did what you did? Is that what you're trying to say? I don't understand you, Paul.
Penelope, can you give me some time to think this through? Please.
All I want you to know is that I am here to stay. I'm not going anywhere.
Where are you staying?
I'm in a hotel.
I'll take you to the lab to run the test. After then, I'll drop you off.
Hello, babe. What's up? My dear, the idiot said I should give him some time to think about it. It's the audacity for me. But anyways, I'm going to give him a few days to come up with something. If not, I am going to handle it my way. Don't worry, I'm very careful. I know what to do. Alright, bye. I'll talk to you later. Oh, okay, not bad.
Baby, I'm there. Okay, please don't keep me waiting.
Bye.
Hey! Someone. Baby, yo. Baby, you go to heart. Adamo. Afana, where are you going to? I will drop you.
Tiade, did you approach me to ask me that stupid question?
No, it's not a stupid question. It's just a simple question. I want to know your destination so that I will go and carry my bike and go and drop you. Yes.
So you go and carry your bike and take me there. Who makes you think I want to go to my destination with your bike?
No, nah. Ada, in this village, which other means are we using? Isn't our bike? And my own bike itself is new. I just washed it. I will just carry you. I will even dedicate today to take you to any place you are going to. Maybe we now use the opportunity and go to one joint. Buy palm wine and with palm wine, bush meat, you know. You like her? Yeah, and I. You know all these things now. I think I like you. Yes.
We'll go to the bar.
Yes.
And drink palm wine.
You will enjoy it. I think I like you. Yes.
My baby is here.
Huh?
Honestly, I don't believe this. Because I don't have money. I'm gonna apply for money.
Tiadi, how can you be looking for an university graduate? I told you that girl is not your level. Now, high class girl. See, I would advise you to stay on your own so you save yourself from this embarrassment.
Well, forget high class girl. Forget university girl. See me, I tell you, it's because I don't have money. If I have money today, I can date any woman, I can date any girl from anywhere.
You gotta make money.
No, I'm a bambo now. I work for money.
Make money.
I go
so you are saying your own, let me say my own. I need to go and track my babe. Yes, now. I know she they give me some money while I take the whole body. So that one of my CBN bank. So as they follow your high class babe, let me follow my middle class babe. Tiade!
I will give you one bottle for me.
Okay, I bring money.
One bottle. Hi. Money don't have man. Because I don't have money. Because I don't have a car. Hi. Shadi, go and look for money. Let me go. I will make money. I will make money. So that will see me in this village.
Come here. Yeah. Come.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Oh, you must have the time. Do a good night.
Good evening.
You must have time. What is it? What do you want? You want to run away? Me for more.
Oh, I want to ease myself.
What do you want?
Nothing. I came to drink.
Lorana. Amala! Come here. He said he wants to drink, okay? Ask him the brand he wants. We Italian.
What drink do you want?
Hero.
Amala. Italian Hero. Konye Mego.
No. Small stout.
Small stout. Amala. Small stout.
No. Sorry.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Sachet water, pure water now.
Water for me. You want water now? People are saying manya. Eh?
No,
I don't blame you. Why would I blame you? After calibrating out the village, you come to my shop and my daughter will pay your stupidity with my drinks and money. Okay? If you go near no. Aria, I don't blame you. Shut up, shut up, I slap you. Shut up, sachet water. I don't blame him. Take him to blame me. I'll slap you like you said that again. Enough wala. Can you imagine? Hero, from hero to small star, from small star to small star. I just want to take fresh air, but get out of this place. Also. You see it? If I slap you, if rock all day.
Wow, babe. I swear to God, I enjoy every moment of this.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah, for real. You're a pro. Come on. You know, I was just thinking, why can't you just stay for a night?
I know. I didn't tell my mother I would be sleeping out today.
Come on, baby. You're too grown for that. Okay, no, never mind. You know what? Let me do some transfer.
Okay.
Come on, baby. I love you, baby.
I love you.
Love you so much. You're so good. Okay, I just made some. Just check your phone.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, baby, now 20,000 naira. What would I do with this little money?
I know. You know, babe, you're my baby. You understand? Don't worry. Just manage this. I'll make it up to you when next time you come. Okay?
That's what you always say.
Don't worry now. Come here. Yeah. You're my baby. You know what? Let me not stress you too much. I will take you home. I will drive you home by myself, okay? So you keep this one, use it for anything. Okay?
Right.
You know you're my baby. I love you. Baby. Yeah.
Why is he not picking his call? Come on, Paul, pick your call now. What's going on? Why are you not picking your call? Taking your calls. Why?
I'm sorry about that.
Paul.
Yeah.
What is bothering you? You might as well want to share it with me, no?
There's nothing. Just walk. Walk. Yeah.
All right, if you say so. So, shall we? What? Have you forgotten to have a meeting with Mr. Rex?
Oh, that's true. Is it time yet?
We are 5 minutes late already.
Come on, let's go.
Please, let's go.
Oh my.
office today. The head of my team got into an argument with the MD today and she literally spilled out every of their little secrets. You needed to see what happened today, babe. Well, I found it very interesting anyway. Honey? Babe.
Yes, I mean that...
I have been talking to you. And it seemed like you were miles away from me. Honey, you know how much I hate this.
I know. I'm so sorry about that, okay? It will happen again. I'm sorry. I'm here now. Yeah. Babe, I said I'm sorry. Babe, I said I am sorry now.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Stop. I said I'm sorry.
Babe, leave me alone, Joe. Just leave me.
Babe, I will never leave you alone. I'll always be with you because you're my better half. You're everything to me. Forever till eternity. We'll always be together.
Why are you confusing me with your English? What is the difference between eternity and afterlife?
You should be in the position to tell me more. After all, you have first class in English.
Someone is trying to shy away from this question. You're obviously shying away.
I need to get water to
You
drink.
should, go ahead.
You want some?
Yes, my love.
Okay. Ouch.
Sorry. Ow! I'm sorry. Baby! Your phone is ringing.
I'm coming. Okay.
Here. Where's
Who's
P?
that? Who's that?
P. Where's she? I should let you message that it's urgent.
Okay, Precious. Why is she calling me by this time? Eh?
She called at this hour and she sent a message that it's urgent.
Yeah, I'll call her tomorrow. It's late already.
What did you say her name is again?
Precious.
Apparently, I know every female worker in your company. You never mentioned Precious.
Oh, this one is a new person. Yes, she's new. She's new.
Why do I feel like you just lied to me?
I beg your pardon? Charlie.
I'm good. Good night.
Honey, wake up. It's morning. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Babe? Come on, wake up, wake up. It's morning already.
Good morning.
Good morning, my love. Are you not going to work today? Babe?
Yes, I'll go.
Then get up and freshen up. It's morning already. I'm going to drop you at the office today. Waiting for you downstairs. Get up. Waiting. Get my phone if you're coming.
I will.
Babe, are you okay? What is it? These days you've been acting weird. Okay, if it is about the other day, I told you there is nothing like that. Huh?
Babe, I'm fine. Trust me, I believe whatever you said.
Are you sure?
I believe you.
That's my girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear girl. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, this is for you. Happy birthday.
Have I told you you're the best girl in the world?
Oh, you just told me for the first time.
Please, you are the best girl in the world.
Are you serious? Thank you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Girl, this is so cute.
You like it, right?
I love it. Please, thank you so much.
I know you're gonna like it. You're welcome. So, what's the plan?
No plan.
What? I don't get it.
You won't believe that my own husband haven't even wished me a happy birthday.
Really?
Girl, I don't know what is going on with Paul. He's been acting weird lately. I think Paul is seeing another
Oh, no. Don't even think towards that direction. Because Paul, I know, loves you so much. He cannot cheat on you. Yes, he can do that. I think maybe he's planning on surprise for you. Have you thought about that?
Well, I thought about that when we were coming to work. But then again, he dropped me off and zoomed off.
You mean he brought you to work?
Yeah, I did.
That means he's coming to take you back after work, right?
Definitely. What's that?
Nothing. Can you open it?
Oh, sure. Oh my god. Girl!
Please stop.
This is good! A box of jewelries. Oh, yeah.
Naira. It's too small now, Mara.
Babe, you have to manage it too. You have to manage it. You know my mom has been so strict and suspicious these days. Just manage it, eh? But don't worry. Next time, I'm going to get more. I promise.
Sister Mara. Hey God. Wonder shall never end. You are the one being laid. And you are still the one giving this useless man money. Huh? It's not supposed to be the opposite. Shut up your mouth. How is it your business? Eh? Cho.
Hey, why here? Why here? You're calling me useless, are you?
No, babe. Don't worry, eh? Just calm down. See this one, no. Ojamu ejirego.
I'm even ashamed of calling you my sister. Good for nothing, sister of mine.
Hey! Babe, you know what? Just calm down. Don't mind her. This is just a kid. She knows absolutely nothing.
I don't understand what you mean by a kid.
Who is the kid?
She's a small girl. She doesn't know anything.
Who dey bully this girl? For ya? Walk up, me.
Don't kill her, please. She's too small. Big for nothing. Where are you going to again? Every time you just be in a hurry to leave. Can't you be romantic for once? You want to leave me?
Wait, I'm afraid I'm not happy.
Oh, what do you mean by that?
Don't worry, baby. I'm almost ready. Yes. I will see you soon, right? Okay, bye. See ya. Whew.
Sister, good afternoon.
Tamaka, welcome.
Sister, there is no food in the house.
Is that a question or what?
I'm very hungry.
You are hungry?
Yes.
Tamaka, do I look like a chef? Eh? Listen, if you are hungry, go to the kitchen and prepare something for yourself. Or better still, go to the shop and meet Mama.
But sister, you've been at home all this while now. At least you should have cooked something.
Tamaka, I don't have time for your banters, right? I am busy. I'm actually going out.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I should leave what I'm doing and go and cook for you. Stupid girl. You can have your time. I don't have your time. Better. I don't have time for your rubbish.
Baby girl, are you ready? Can we go now?
I've been trying to get hold of Paul, but he's not picking.
You're still not picking up till now?
No. What am I going to do right now? Alex is here. Let's go.
What did he say?
Alex is downstairs. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Oh, hold on, my spec.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, this is for you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. This is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it.
So what up, Paul? I didn't see him at work today. It's like you guys are planning something big.
What do you mean you didn't see him at the office today?
Yeah, he didn't show up at work today, and I called him countless times. He didn't pick my call, so I don't know.
I've been calling Paul. He's not taking my calls.
He's not taking your calls too?
When he dropped me in the morning, he didn't say anything. Where could it be that he's not taking my calls?
All right, you know what? Let's just get home first, okay?
Yes.
Right? Birthday girl.
Thank you so much for this.
All right.
I owe you one.
No, come on. I'll do more for you, okay? All right, let's go home.
What is going on? Paul is not picking his call. I am scared. I'm really scared.
Babes, do you know anywhere he might have gone to? Maybe a regular place.
No, none I can remember at the moment.
My husband is not like this. Paul is not like this. No matter how busy Paul, he will always take my calls. How can his phone be ringing and he's not picking? Alex, something is definitely wrong.
Babe, you just need to calm down, okay?
I am calm. I just want him to pick. That's all.
Called and called. His line is switched off.
Alex, are you sure my husband is okay? Are you sure? Because at this point, I think we should involve the police. That's the only option.
Yeah, she's right.
No. I mean, there is no way we can involve the police. The police will not swing into action until after 24 hours. You know what? Let me just make 1 or 2 calls.
He remembers her birthday. Bought her a cake. Whereas I had to even remind him of my birthday. Is there more to this? Or am I overthinking?
I just spoke to Inspector James now. Okay, he promised to take up the case in the morning. Yes.
I think I should take my leave now. It's getting late already.
Sis, thank you so much.
It's okay.
I really appreciate everything.
It's okay.
Alex, you can take her home now.
No. But I'm not going home. I mean, I'm not ready to leave. There's no way I'm leaving you all by yourself in this state.
It's okay. That's okay. I can possibly take a cab.
Please do call me once you get home.
It's alright. Just take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Thank you so much.
Listen, you have to calm down, okay? Please. Wherever he is, I believe he will come back. Please.
Hey. What are you doing on my bed? Huh? What have you done? done?
Nothing. I just did what's best and right for my baby and I.
How? Hello? Penelope, I am not in the mood to talk right now. I can't talk right now. Yeah, hello? 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 What's going on? What's going What's the meaning of this? Huh?
I'm so sorry, I just pulled a prank on you. That was the only way I know I could make you come here.
See, I need to get to the office now, so let me.
Can you please relax? You just got here. At least, hear me out.
Okay, I'm listening. Talk.
Well, I want to apologize for what happened the last time we met. I'm so sorry. And I have also decided to take your offer and leave.
Really?
Yes, I don't want to cause problems between you and your wife anymore. I'm sorry.
Penelope, I understand. And I want to promise you that I'm going to take care of you and the baby. I appreciate I'm so happy that you do understand.
Okay, it's fine. Can we at least test that? Have a seat. I have a sweet wine. I promise you will love it. Okay. This, you will love it. Okay.
You sparked my drink and you switched off my phone.
I'm sorry, darling. You need to relax and enjoy yourself. Your phone kept ringing, so I had to switch it off.
God, you are unbelievable.
I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
Where have you been, man?
Oh my God, how can I forget that today's her birthday?
Well, it's quite unfortunate you did.
What's up, man? Babe. Babe. Yes, I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm so worried. Where have you been?
Babe, you need to see the stress I passed through today. It was so hard on me today that I forgot that today is your birthday. I'm so sorry. It will never happen again, okay? I'll try and find a way to make it up to you.
Who cares about my birthday? All I want is just to have you home. Come here.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm so sorry. Oh.
Alright. At this juncture, I guess I have to leave you guys.
Alex, thank you so much. Thank you for everything, the cake, the gifts. I really appreciate.
Come on, you don't have to thank me. Okay, I mean, what are friends for? Okay? It's okay. I'm glad you're happy now. Alright.
Thanks, bro.
See you tomorrow.
Come here. I was so scared. I thought something bad had happened.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So sorry.
So, this is what I was saying. Okay, if you take a look at this diagram now, this is more like, remember the project we did in Naija?
Oh, pick your call. Just pick.
No. It's just for us to take the blueprint of that other job and
What is this anyone, right?
No, just change things and submit it. Paul, this person has been calling repeatedly. I think you should pick the call.
No, that's...
That what?
Oh no, never mind. I will still call the person back. I'll return the call. Let's just focus on this.
Alright, so what I was saying is...
How many are we going to produce this?
You said 5.
5, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, make it 5 and bring one for me to sign and we'll move on.
Okay. This is for you. Okay, you have to sign that while I work on this one.
How can I forget my card?
Hello. Is there any problem, ma'am?
No, I'm fine.
Obviously, you're not fine. What is the matter? You're not?
Well, I can't find my card and I purchased some things here. I couldn't pay.
Really? That's not a problem. I can assist.
Thank you, don't bother.
Oh,
It's fine.
Come on. I am not complaining. Okay, let's do it this way. I can assist while you pay me back later. How about that?
It's not necessary, don't worry. I can cope.
Stop it. I want to assist you. It's nothing. Women supporting women. Let's go.
Honestly, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for saving my ass in there.
Come on, it's nothing. It happens to everyone.
So can I ask you for one more favor?
Yeah, feel free. What is it?
My house is just down the road. Come with me, let me do a refund of the cash.
That won't be necessary. Forget about what I said back then. I don't want you to pay me back. It's okay, it's fine.
Okay, I know, but I insist. Please.
I want to rush downtown. I'm in a hurry. I want to pick up something. I have to go, don't worry.
I understand, but I just want to do a refund. Please.
I don't want a refund.
No. You will follow me home for the refund.
Okay, fine.
Okay, you drove?
Yes, I did.
All right. You're riding behind me, right?
Behind you.
You're riding behind me.
Honestly,
okay.
Honestly, I've never thought of that before. Like having more than 2 kids? Hell no. Oh, let me needing 3, 4 kids for. Not me. I can't.
Well, I see nothing wrong with having 2, 3, or even 4 kids. Yes, I mean, so long as you have the resources to give them a good life. 6, 8, 9, 10 is dope for me.
9 what?
I said, as long as there is money.
My dear, forget that thing. Resources or not, I don't have the strength for that. Do you know what we are talking about? We are talking about motherhood. Motherhood is not a child's play.
It is the dream of every woman.
I know, but I don't have that strength. I don't have it at all. 2, 1 is okay.
All right, if
I
you say
love,
so.
I love soft life. Soft life, no stress. AJ baby, Ajabo.
Hey, sweetheart.
Hi, sweet.
We have an amazing soul in our home. Baby, a miracle happened in my life. I went to the supermarket without my card, but then she intervened and cleared my bills.
Oh, that's nice. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How do you do?
I'm good. You're welcome to my home.
Thank you. I must say your home is so beautiful.
Okay, babe.
Yeah.
Let me freshen up.
All right, baby. Lunch will be ready. So back to you. You're staying for lunch.
He's cute. He's handsome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So you're staying for lunch, right?
I would have, but I have to go now and I have somewhere to...
You go nowhere. I insist.
Maybe someone... I actually have
I
to...
insist. You're staying. You're staying.
Can you please...
You're staying.
Of course. I'm staying.
I hope you're enjoying your meal.
Honestly, this is good. This is so delicious. And I'm going to make this for myself once I'm in my city.
Your city?
Yeah.
You don't live here?
No. I stay in Abuja. I only came here for an assignment, but I'm almost done. A personal assignment at that.
Wow. Funny enough, I've not been to Abuja all my life.
Are you kidding me?
For real?
Baby girl, you're missing. Abuja is fun, Abuja is classy, Abuja is dope.
So ahead though.
Don't worry, I'm going to invite you. I will be your tour guide.
That would be nice.
Trust your girl.
I can't wait.
You left me with no choice. This wouldn't have happened if you weren't avoiding my calls.
I wasn't avoiding you. See, I only asked that you should give me a little time to think this through.
That time is what I don't have. I am 2 months gone. And you don't expect me to keep staying here. No way, it won't happen.
And what if I rent you an apartment?
An apartment?
Yeah.
All the way from Abuja to this place? I am carrying your child. My baby needs the father. You are going to stay by my side throughout my pregnancy period. Get that?
Penelope, what you're asking for can be possible. Please, allow me to rent an apartment for you. I'm going to take care of you and the baby. It's a promise.
Paul, listen to me. I don't like repeating myself. The earlier you tell your wife about me and my unborn child, the better for you. I give you 1 week to do so. Else, I'll do it myself. I'm not joking. If you like, you take a whole year. 1 week! Else, I'll do it myself.
Nice. So your wife is not back from Omugo? She's not back here too. In fact, she even went from there to the second daughter's house. That one also just put to bed.
Hey!
Yeah.
You mean the one I just got married a few months ago?
Yes. That one that got married a few months ago. In fact, this time she even had twins. How blessed I have become.
Umejima?
Umejima.
Oh my God!
And you know the funny thing? Boys all round.
Hey! Dimpa dimpa.
Umuagu.
Hey!
Thank you, my sister.
Oh my God.
Thank you very much.
Very, very nice.
I think I need to start living now.
Congratulations, Congratulations.
Thank you. Ngwakodi.
Oh, deme. Deme. Hey. Enokwa. The girl that just got married a few months ago. Amugumu Ejima. While Paul that got married more than 1 year ago, the wife is yet to get pregnant, not talk of delivering. I don't even know what he's doing with that girl. Eh? You're not under few months.
Charlie. Alpha. How are you, sir? You do. See, this operation is coming up next month. Are you interested?
Give me details now. Allow me.
No, what I'm telling you is this. If we succeed in this operation, we are going to be millionaires for life. So just tell me, are you in or out? Not be later will come they beg me for money.
Okay, I'm in.
Yeah. See, I'll control my guys. Then I will update you. You understand? I will update you. Just day. Later.
Hello, Nna.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, oh. And you?
Yes, I'm good. I actually called to discuss something very important with you.
What is it?
Auntie, someone is pregnant for me.
Hey! Omaka! Thank God! She's finally pregnant. Your wife is finally pregnant. Hey! Chupu Imeka. Hey!
No, not my wife. I didn't mean my wife. My ex.
Hey, it's still good news. Pregnant. But pregnant. It's still good news, Onna. Hey.
Auntie, not too good.
Why?
She's insisting that I bring her home, but I can't possibly do that.
Why? For what? Have you forgotten where you are coming from? That you are the only surviving child of your parents and you need as many children as possible. You're telling me that you can't bring her home. For what? You have been living with your wife for more than 1 year now and yet no pregnancy, not talk of a child to show for it. Wow, see, Paul, I am like a mother to you. I raised you. I can't deceive you. I can't deceive you. See, tell your wife that someone is pregnant for you and bring her home. Bring her home for the sake of your born child. Assume you can't tell your wife what she cannot do, someone is doing it for you. Assume you can't tell her.
It's okay, Auntie. I will think about that.
Think the very, very important.
Bye.
Someone is pregnant. What was the name? Budimba. Oh, okay. Hey.
My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. What did I do to deserve this pain? What did I do to deserve this pain? Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. My heart is shattered. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. Tears and sorrow.
Hello? Hello, Pam. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. I'm at home. I just got to my house now.
He hasn't been picking his calls. What is happening? I thought you know his whereabouts.
No. He's not here. I'm not with him. I left him at work.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright. Alright, you take care of yourself.
Has come upon me. Tears and sorrow is what I'm seeing today. All because I fell in love. The more I try for it to work, that's the more I feel the pain.
You can have this for your upkeep.
Thank you. Don't tell me you're leaving already. Please, darling, can you stay with me a little longer? The baby needs you here.
I have to go now. My wife has been calling me. Okay? I'll see you.
I can't keep staying here. I'm tired. Honestly, I'm very, very tired of this place. I need to move. I don't like it. Better do the needful.
We'll talk later. I have to go now. Okay? I'm sorry.
That is all I get from you these days. Paul, what is happening? Why the late night?
Babe, actually, I'm working on something.
Something you can't talk to me about. But when did you start doing things without telling me about it?
I will tell you when the time comes, okay? At the right time, just bear with me and give me a little time. Okay?
Take all the time you need.
Acting totally strange lately. Do you mind sharing with me what the problem is?
Nothing.
Nothing? You didn't go home after work yesterday because your wife called me to ask if we were together.
And what's the meaning of that rubbish? Why would my wife keep running to you to report whatever that is happening in my marriage to you? As who? As what?
Hey, come on, man. Take it easy. Okay,
I am not going to take it easy if you do not mind your business and stay away from my marriage. Do you understand?
Mr. Ray asked me to come pick up the analysis file. Can I have it now?
I'm still on it. I'm almost done. Just give me a little time.
What? Don't tell me you're still on this since morning. What is going on?
I can't believe I'm still on it either. Please, honestly, I am going through a lot and it's choking me.
I actually noticed. I've been waiting for you to say something. So can you talk to me now? What is it?
It's Paul. Paul has changed completely. I can't recognize the man I got married to. He keeps late night. He skips. Like he forgets things easily. And each time I try to complain, he tells me, sorry. Please, I don't understand any of these things anymore. It's driving me crazy.
It's okay, you just have to calm down, okay? Maybe he's having an affair.
I don't know. I don't know what to believe anymore at this point.
Stop that. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be like that. Okay? Everything will be fine, I know that. It's okay.
Babe, the last time I checked, my friend is not a marriage counselor or relationship advisor. So I don't know why you always run to him, telling him whatever that is happening between us. Why?
Babe, I only called him because you weren't peeking.
Now listen, this should be the first and last time you will ever call him for such. If you call me and I do not pick, wait till I come back home. Is that clear?
Yes.
There is no way he won't accept the child. He's an only son. Not yet. No. But I gave him 1 week to come up with something else. I will hit him real hard. What are we even saying? Have you forgotten this guy broke up with me just to marry that nonsense girl? Have you forgotten? Can't you see? Am I not lucky, baby girl? I'm lucky. I'm lucky this happened. I can as well have him all to myself. Yes, darling. Paul is my man. Alright, baby girl. Later.
I'm coming. I'm here. Mama, welcome. Mama, I'm greeting you.
What is good about your greeting? Well, I want to know what is good about Mama, I'm greeting you. When you kept me waiting at the door for almost 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Mama, I'm sorry. I was busy upstairs.
You are sorry. You are busy. Busy doing what? Well, when your mates are busy washing their children's clothes, doing akamu for their children, you are busy. You the busy for all the chako omaka. In fact, why am I even talking to you? Omuliba. If we fall, can wash his blood.
You didn't call to tell me you were coming. How come?
How can I call you that I'm coming? Okay, you expect me to sit back after what you told me? No, now. I know you need help. That is why I came, to help you. Can I get straight to the point?
But I told you I was going to handle it.
Have you? So very soon.
My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart.
Hey.
Why didn't you inform me about her?
Sorry?
How come you didn't inform me about her visit?
Sorry?
I said, how come you didn't inform me about her visit?
Oh, I didn't know she was coming.
I don't understand. You mean she didn't inform you before coming?
Are you trying to doubt me or something?
No, I just want you to make me understand it.
Hey, please. I had a hectic day, okay? And I need to rest, please.
Someone is in my house uninvited and this is all you could say?
Stretch my hands for me, please.
I'm here.
Babe. There is something I want us to talk about.
You know? I understand how you feel. Okay? That is why I decided we
Get married?
We give each other some space. It's just for a little while, you know? But just so we could think through this, all right? To know if this is truly what we want for ourselves.
Yeah, this is what I want. Alex, if you want to break up, just go ahead and say it and stop beating around. You know what? I am sick and tired of this shameful relationship. Rubbish.
Hey, come on, that's not what I mean, okay? Please, take it easy. I never said I was breaking up with you. Please. Look, we're both adults here, okay? I just wanted us to have a better understanding, that's it.
No, there's nothing to understand here. Our bond has been broken and you know it. It has been one-sided love, Alex. I have to beg for your attention. I have to beg for your love, even for sex. I can't continue to fix bond that didn't break. I am done. Please, out.
Please.
I don't need your help.
Can I at least drop you off?
No.
Please. You know,
Please, can you just stop talking and leave me alone, please? Stop!
Is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. What's this?
So, this is how my year relationship ended. After all the effort I made to make it work, Alex chose to break my heart. But he never said he's breaking up with me. I wouldn't have left the way I did. I think I should go back. No. He said he wants space, which simply means I should leave. Alex, what did I ever do to you to deserve this? What? I'm going to leave town for a while.
Mama, good morning. I hope you slept well.
Is it your business?
I'm sorry to bother you.
Hey! Do you have shame at all? You wake up early every day and rush off to work. While your mates wake up in the morning, prepare their children for school and go for school run. Walk. Don't you know you have a husband to take care of? Is that your useless job better than your home. Don't you know you don't have a stand in this house? Or any stand. You don't have a stand in this house at all. Eh? It's better for you to quit that your useless job and concentrate on getting pregnant and bearing children. If you don't, someone else will do it for you.
Mama, please. It's too early for this. I don't want to have a bad day.
It's better you have a bad day because you are of no use in this house. It's better for you to quit your job and concentrate on bearing children. The earlier you do that, the better for you.
My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. What did I do to deserve this pain?
Cheers.
What are we celebrating?
Please sit.
Okay. So what is being so romantic today? Okay. What's up?
Yeah, you see, I know I've not really been a good husband. Maybe I'm not just the best. And sometimes we make mistakes. I'm meant to be corrected. Okay? I've actually made a mistake. Unknowingly to me. But I'm trying to find a way to correct it and to fix it.
Baby, can you just cut this whole story short and tell me what is it?
Okay. You see? Okay, babe.
Come on.
Okay. Someone is pregnant for me.
What? Paul, what did you just say to me? What did you... someone is what? Paul, you've been having an affair outside your marriage?
No, not really. That was my last trip to Abuja. I never planned it to be that way.
Paul.
sorry.
You've been cheating on me? Paul, you've been having an affair. And you've been doing it without protection.
No, that was just few times. And just...
Few times? Meaning you've been doing it? Not once, not twice. You've been... And this woman is pregnant for you.
Yes. She's pregnant. It's just few times. Few times. And you have lived with this man for over a year. Yet, nothing to show for it. Only God knows how many times you've committed abortions.
My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. My heart is broken.
Now I get it.
Has fallen apart. What did
I am understanding everything now. So you knew.
What did I do to deserve?
You two are in this together. No wonder. No wonder.
Babe, 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 babe.
Is either she stays or she leaves. If she doesn't want it, let her do me how she likes and don't get. See, your child is more important than her. If anything happens to you now, she'll move on with another man. Happy Akawagawa.
I have no joy at all. My love is stuck. God, I need my own child. I'm in love is stuck. God, I need my own child. My love is stuck. When we live like there is no tomorrow.
Hello.
It's because
Mama, Emaka. Just don't worry, Can you walk
Oh, goodness.
with us a wacom. As a mangala fish, especially for you and my. Hey! Oh!
Your baby. I love fish.
Ne mama, Emaka. Mwana unwa.
You're making me to be shy.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't worry. What is that your name?
My name is Penelope.
Penelope.
I love it. Ooh, yes. I'm liking her already. This place is going to be heavenly. Hello. We meet again. Let me officially introduce myself. I am Penelope. I'm carrying our child. Ooh. I understand.
Are you the one pregnant for my husband?
Take a good look at me very well. From hair to toe. Obviously. As you can see, I am pregnant for our husband. Oh, don't fall. Easy. Easy on yourself, baby girl. We'll take care of him together. Mama! Mama! Mama!
You take a listen, go.
Mama! Is the fish ready?
Almost. Can you perceive it?
Oh my goodness, the aroma is something else. I can't wait.
Good for you and my baby.
Oh, my unborn child. Yes, our baby. I can't wait to munch it. And I know you prepared it with love.
too much love
Oh my
for you and mine.
Oh, I love you, Mama. I love you.
Mama.
You started again.
My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. What did I do to deserve this pain? What did I do to deserve this pain?
So you've been lying to me all along? Paul, you've been lying to me all this while.
Babe, I'm sorry. I am sorry for everything. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry from my heart. I didn't mean for any of this to happen. Okay?
Sorry, please. I want to understand what you're sorry for. For making a fool out of me? With your girlfriend? Is that what you're sorry for? Hey, Paul, I practically brought this woman home. We had a meal together in our home. You've been sleeping with her all this while. Hey. Hey. Oh, Paul, you're very wicked, though. You're very wicked.
Baby, listen to me. Listen to me. I said I'm sorry. Okay, the thing is that she's gonna be here till she put to bed. Okay? Then she will leave.
Ah!
Then please, she will leave. Okay?
I want to be left alone.
Baby, I'm doing all these things because she's carrying my child.
You want a child? Am I God that gives children? Oh no, answer me. What did I ever do to you?
Sorry.
Look at him! Don't touch me.
This life has taught me an unforgettable
How could you? Paul, I am talking to you. How could you?
So she has reported to you as usual. Huh? Anyway, as you can see, I'm very busy. So please, close the door behind you.
It seems you forgot the promise.
Belle? Who am I seeing?
Alex.
Belle!
Alex!
Look at you!
Oh my goodness!
Come on!
You look great!
Listen all about you, man. You're looking good. You're looking
good.
good. So, what are you doing here? Like,
I'm actually waiting for the company's car to pick me up.
okay, you walk around here?
My office is not far from there.
Oh, come on. No. I'm so happy to see you, pal. My office is down the street. I just came out to get something, yeah?
Okay.
So, what about Paul? Are you two together?
It's been years I heard from Paul last.
Wow. Wow. All right, well, I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. So, where are you going? Can I drop you off?
You drive? Alex, you
Like,
don't
come
drive.
on. Take it easy, my car is
Congratulations!
Please.
It's a big one, Joe. So good to see you.
Oh, come on, you're good. You're looking good. You're looking good.
Really fast.
Pearl, how much longer am I to wait before you give me an answer to my proposal?
I'm sorry if I'm taking too long. But trust me, it's for the best.
For the best, you say? Alright. Listen. Whatever you're doing, just don't keep me waiting for too long. Because I love you. I truly do love you with all my heart. Alright, let's drink up. You good?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Pearl. Thank you for making me the happiest man on earth. I will love and cherish you for the rest of my life.
Hello, Pearl speaking. Hello? Paul? I'm fine. Really, you're in town? Sure, I will text you. Paul is in town and he wants to meet. He asked that I send him a place to meet.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Oh, I want to send him the address of our meeting, then we're going together.
Are you sure?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh, good.
Look at you. Look at you. You look good. Come on, please sit.
Thank you.
What's up? Wait. Wait a minute. Sit down first.
Oh, it's been ages,
man.
man.
What are you guys doing together? Did you tell him I'm back?
Hey.
No, we're actually together when you called.
Oh, that's nice.
And by the way, it's been ages. Like, you traveled and ghosted everyone.
Yeah, my brother, it was never easy out there. But it's okay, I'm back now.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's so good to have you back.
I'm back now.
Welcome back, bro.
Babe, I've missed you so much. But I just want to apologize to you. I'm so sorry for not contacting you all these years. A lot happened, but I'll take time to explain to you, okay? But do not worry, I'm back now. I'm back for you. Hey, come on, what's that look on your face? Cheer up. Okay? Babe? What's this on your finger?
I'll take it up from here. Pearl and I are engaged. Okay, and we're getting married next month.
Alex.
Yeah.
Pearl? I know you guys are joking. This is a kind of joke, right?
Paul, we are not joking. I waited for 4 years. Paul, I rejected a lot of suitors because I was waiting for you. I'm a woman. And like they say, we don't have much time like men. Paul, I need you to understand the reason I did what I did. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't keep my promise. I am deeply sorry. I'm out of here.
Babe. 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 Babe.
Babe. Babe, see. Listen. Pearl, listen. You cannot marry Alex. Pearl, I kept my promise. Yes, and I'm back for you now. I am back. Lucy, you have to drop this. Because I got you a diamond ring. A diamond ring specially made for you. Okay? And that's to show you how much I love you and how much I want to be with you. Pearl, I love you. Babe, I love you. You don't have to do this.
Paul, I want to be left alone.
I don't have to do this, please. Pearl.
You want to go back to him?
Alex, I am sorry. I am so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. I mean, there's nothing to forgive you about. God knows why it happened this way. It's okay. At least, Paul is a nice guy. I'm sure he'll take care of you.
Thank you. Honestly, you're the best.
Pearl.
Yes.
Oh, just know that I love you. I'll forever love you.
I know.
I just have to let you go. Always be happy for me.
I promise I will.
Alex, I just want to say thank you so much for your understanding. I appreciate it.
There is nothing to thank me about. I just believe in life. Everything happens for a reason. God knows best. Paul.
Yep.
I want you to promise me something.
Okay.
I want you to promise me that you love Pearl for the rest of your life. You will never, ever do anything to hurt her.
Wait, come on, man. Why are you talking like this?
Paul, I said, promise me.
Of course, I am not going to hurt her. I cannot hurt someone I love. Hmm?
I wish you guys the best.
Thank you.
She broke my engagement and went back to you because of the promise she made. And you, what did you do? Paul, what did you do? If you're stupid and senseless enough to get another woman pregnant, must you bring her into your matrimonial home?
Why not? No, why not tell me? I did that because it's my house. So why should I have someone who cannot produce into my house? A man. Why should I have a man in my house that cannot give me a child over the years? But someone else did. Just in 1 month.
I thought you were smart. But it's obvious you're stupid, selfish, self-centered and wicked. What changed you? This is not the Paul I used to know.
The only constant thing in life is change, I guess you know.
What did you say?
You heard me right.
My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken.
What is wrong?
Has fallen apart.
Huh? Why are you discussing our marriage with your boyfriend?
Boyfriend?
Yes.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about Alex. Alex came to the office, insulted me, and hit me because of you.
What? No! Why? Babe, Alex is not like that.
Are you defending him? No, are you really defending him?
I can't do a thing.
Now listen to me. If such happens again,
Babe, I'm sorry.
My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. My heart is broken, my world has fallen apart. What did I do to deserve this pain? What did I do to deserve this pain? Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. My heart is shattered. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow.
Come on, pick your call, Pearl. Come on. Can you just pick your call, Pearl, please?
Hi, what is this now? Huh? What is this?
I heard your scream from the kitchen.
Yeah, what is this now? Do you want to kill me?
Kill you?
Yes.
Maybe this is a goosey and fufu now. How can I kill you?
How? Why did you put much pepper in this soup? You know I don't like pepper. How come you're giving me this poison?
Pepper.
Oh God.
If I know the portion of pepper I put in this soup, you're not supposed to complain.
So I'm talking rubbish. I don't know what I'm saying, huh?
No, that's not what I'm saying. Pepper.
Yes. Go ahead and test it. You know I don't like pepper.
What is going on here? Honey, what's the matter?
She knows I don't like pepper. There's too much in this soup.
Oh, really? Oh, gosh. Baby, you don't have to be too hard on her. It's just a mistake. It's okay. Please, next time, know the quantity of pepper you add in his soup. Okay? I'll go in there and make something sweet for everybody. Know your gauge. Don't kill this man for us, okay? And it's okay.
This is not
okay.
good.
I said I will make something nice.
No,
for you.
probably she wants to kill me.
She cannot kill you while I'm here, okay? Next time, know your gauge, okay? Don't kill this man for me. Don't.
Please.
Honey, never mind. I'm going to make something good.
Take these things away from me, please. Take it out of my sight, please.
We need to talk.
That will be till tomorrow. Busy now.
And where are you going to?
Going to sleep in the guest room.
What?
Yeah. Can't you see her condition? She needs me.
And I don't.
Excuse me.
My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. What did I do to deserve this pain? What did I do to deserve this pain? Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. Tears and sorrow have soaked my pillow. My heart is shattered. Live like there is no tomorrow.
Not to worry, girl. I am living my best life. Of course. I'm in heaven. You need to see, you needed to see the way he handled me last night. Oh my goodness, he's so magical. That guy is so romantic. It's not my fault. It's not my fault that what some people couldn't do in a year or two or whatever, I did it in just 1 week. If easy, make they run am now, make they bend down, run am. Now woman I be proper woman. Wetin I be na catcher, go keep her. I go catch am, keep her where. Yes, but you know the aim now. The aim is to take over. And I've already taken over. This is my home. And I'm here to stay. What? You like gossip, this girl. What is wrong with you? Must I tell you everything? You want me to tell you the other one? Go away. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye, Aproko.
Live like there is no tomorrow. It will cause us pains and regret.
I hope it's going to be enough.
Yes, enough.
Thank you. See, by this time tomorrow, I'll refund you 100% interest.
Really?
Yes, thank you.
Wow.
Okay.
I hope you're coming in the evening.
Yes, now.
Okay.
See
you later.
See, you see this money now. This money is what you are going to use to get the necessary materials for the operation. It will be enough.
Sure.
You hear me? Then when you are done with that, you meet me at the hideout.
Sure,
You are you.
A month now.
So just meet me there. No fuck up. No play.
Chade Kobe.
Pearl, I have been calling you and you're not taking my calls. Why?
Alex, a lot is going on at home. Always accusing me of sleeping with you.
What? That's absurd. I mean, okay, I see it. I see what he's trying to do. He's trying to use that as a defense tactic to cover up his despicable act. That's what he's doing. All right. It's okay.
Look, Alex, I want you to give me a little time to get through this. Please.
It's all right, Pearl. I understand how you feel, okay? I do. I just want you to know that I'll always be here for you, okay? Call me if you need me.
Thank you.
It's okay. Pearl, don't forget to call me. I'll always be here for you.
Plead for your lives. Let me hear it. It's my turn. I want to see you back. Or you think you will ruin my home, destroy my happiness, and go free? Is that what you think?
No, it's not my fault though. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Hey! Aunt Agatha, the architect of every evil that has happened in my home. Are you happy?
It's on you.
You are a monster. And my worst regret.
That was when I woke up.
That's such a bad dream. It means your wife is up to something bad. She's too quiet for my liking. And when a woman is that quiet, it means she has something bad in mind. We all have to be careful around her.
Are you not making pepper soup for today?
I will, just that I haven't gone to the market yet. But I will go later in the evening now. Pastor.
ma.
Welcome.
Welcome. What do you want?
Give me small start.
There's no small stout, so it's finished.
There's no small start. What? Do you have hero? Bring hero.
No, hero is finished. No hero.
There's no hero. Well, if you don't have hero now, help me with a trophy. Let me manage. Let me just manage trophy, please.
Is there a trophy inside there?
I should be asking you now.
Customer, sorry, there is no trophy.
Yeah.
Haba, there's no trophy. Eh? If you don't have all these drinks that I mentioned, so what are you guys still doing in this shop? Eh? Okay, make your shop, close this shop and leave here. Stop faking people around. You see, customers walking, you say there is no drink. Eh? I think make your shop, trophy you don't have, hero you don't have, master you don't have. You know, I check and here, will shop. They say, I took a mail out here.
Sister, what's happening? Why haven't you bought new drinks for sale now?
Madam, shut up, I beg. Shut up, let me think. Just don't stress me now. Just shut up. I need to think. And she shut down. I can't think. What are these things inside, my friend?
Come on, help me with this one, though. It's not.
Why are you denying it? I saw you.
No, babe, I was trying to help her. You saw me. I was trying to... She's lying.
God.
I told you. Agwangi, this lady is up to something. She's wicked. I did push her.
Why must you do that? Why? It's not fair. What you cannot do, another person did it. You should be grateful. Yes, you should be grateful.
I should be grateful?
Yes.
This is bad.
Paul, did you just say I should be grateful? For what exactly? For the disrespect? The pains? The lies? The necklace? Is that what you want me to be grateful for? No, I will not. I will not be grateful for such insolence. I would prefer to pack my things and live with my dignity intact than saying this nonsense every day of my life.
That would be the best thing to do. At least I'll be sure that my baby is intact. My dear, I'm so sorry. Sorry, my dear. Sorry, my dear. Sorry, okay?
It's really baby me.
It's okay. It's okay.
It is so hard.
It's okay. How are you
My
feeling now?
tummy is paining me. My
What's
mom
up?
is
Come
so
on, let's
sweet.
go inside.
I think I'm better.
Come on, let's go
With
inside.
my back, I need a
I'll
massage.
massage you, okay? Come on,
I need a massage. Why? I don't know why she wants to do my baby.
It's okay. Come on.
What am I doing?
It's okay. She won't
Did
try
I
that
do
again.
anything wrong?
She won't try that again, okay?
Why?
She will not try it again.
My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. My heart is broken. My world has fallen apart. What did I do
You're welcome.
to deserve this pain? What did I do?
I called Bliss before coming, but she isn't back. Alex, please, can I stay here for a while? You know?
Listen, Pearl. My house is big enough to contain both of us, okay? So, you can stay here for as long as you want.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know, I can't believe this is how my one-year marriage turned out to be. I feel getting married to Paul is the worst decision of my life. Alex, you have no idea.
Hey, please. Please stop, okay? You don't have to cry, please. Okay, I mean, you know I can't take this. I can see you cry.
I wish this is a dream.
Stop, okay? Stop it, stop it.
This.
Yeah, please, stop. Please. Alright? I'm here for you. Okay, I am here for you. Okay, and I will always be here for you. Alright? Please. And I know you can pull through this. Okay, in fact, I am going to be with you to make sure you pull through this. Okay? Please. Stop crying.
You want job and job and job. Have you come for love? Now which one you do?
Yeah.
Danny, what about the money you promised to give me last night?
Money?
Yes, money. I told you that I saw one fine hair and I need to order it from the vendor.
But I gave you 200,000 naira for the same thing you're talking about now.
Baby, is that what you're telling me? Have you forgotten I'm carrying your child? And I need to look dope all the time. Stop telling me that.
See, I don't have money now. Okay, maybe by weekend, let me see what I can do.
Week what?
And
Week what? Don't even finish it. Don't even try it. Weekend, you will give me... See, I give you till evening. If I don't see that money this evening, what I will do to you will not like it though. You will not like it.
it's okay. Let me get to the office. I'll send you the money.
Oh my darling, you send me the money. Oh my Chakamilo. Take care of you. Take care. Bye, honey.
You want job and job and have you come for love? Now which one you do? make you no play with my heart, yo. Oh. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. You be my love, Mama. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie Mama, love, my daddy upon my love.
Mama. Mama.
Yeah, right, yeah.
I trust you. Thank you.
Anything for you, Nim.
Thank you. Mama. Mama.
Why? What is it?
I don't want this food again.
Eh?
I don't want this food. Baby is craving. Baby wants fresh fish pepper soup.
Fresh fish pepper soup?
Yes.
Only.
Only.
I'll do it for you.
For our baby.
I'll do it for you.
Mama.
For my baby.
Mama.
My baby.
Off you go, Mama. Off you go, Mama.
Fish pepper soup.
Well spiced. Make it very hard.
I will do that.
Add enough pepper. Fish pepper soup without pepper is nothing. I'm in charge. What she wants, she gets. Mama! Mama! I'm not perceiving it.
Not be your fault, you don't fall in love. You don't fall yakata. You don't talk.
What is going on here? You know, I had a hunch, but I kept living my thoughts over reality.
Please. Honestly, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think? Huh? Can you explain to me what you're doing in my boyfriend's house wearing a nightwear?
Please. Can you calm down, okay? Sit down so I can explain things to you, please.
Why didn't you tell me all this while?
Please. I am sorry. Okay, I am very sorry. Okay, sorry that I hid it from you. It's just that I didn't want you to start feeling uncomfortable each time you're around her.
Please, I am deeply sorry. Okay? I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
I'm sorry too. It's my fault. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. Paul made his decision.
I have a confession to make. I strongly believe there's something going on between those two. Yes. You have to keep a close watch on your wife. Yes. No. I planted a seed of distrust between you two. But I never knew it would turn out this way. Like I said, I'm sorry. It's my fault. After everything that happened, I realized something. That you can't tell your heart whom to love. While I was away, I met my Prince Charming. But I'm officially here to say goodbye to Alex. I am glad that I got to know who you really are. I must say the universe has once brought you two together. So don't miss this opportunity of being together. Don't. I wish you both well.
And I wish you all the best.
Please. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Yes, I'm certain.
Listen, Pearl. I want you to know that whatever decision you take, I am solidly behind you.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you for helping me go through this. You are indeed a good friend, and I am never taking this for granted.
Come here. Alright, so shall we?
She won't divorce. That's fine. It makes it even better.
Hi, what's
Hi,
up?
baby.
How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
What was it you were telling me on the phone?
Baby, I'm 4 weeks pregnant for you.
Wait.
What's funny? Why are you laughing?
You're pregnant for me?
Yes.
So you think you can tie me down with this cheap pregnancy, right? No. That's what you're thinking, right? Oh, what about Chief? I mean, and some useless guys you've been sleeping with. You think I don't know?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Just hold on, let me show you. What's this? Who is that? Or you want me to show you more?
That's not me, oh. That's Photoshop.
Okay.
Baby, I'm sure this pregnancy is for you. You don't believe me?
See, Ada, let me tell you. I don't believe liars like you. Yes. You know
I'm
what?
sure.
See, listen. I don't ever want you to call my line again. Do you understand me?
Baby, you can't do this to me, oh. This pregnancy is for you. I'm very sure, baby.
My friend, go back to cheese.
Baby, please now. This pregnancy is for you, oh. Baby, please, I beg.
Why haven't I seen her boy since morning? This is unlike him. I hope everything is okay. I hope he's fine.
What is it? Who is after you? Sister, you can't believe what I just heard now.
What is it? What happened?
A boy, Chadi, and some of their gang members were shot dead last night on their robbery operation. Hey. What? A boy is dead? Yes, he's dead. The rumor is everywhere in the village.
How? My money. What am I going to tell Mama?
Tell Mama what? Tell Mama what? What's it that you want to tell Mama? Talk now, maybe I can help you and talk to Mama. Sister? What do you want to tell Mama?
Mama can't be dead.
Talk now!
No.
There is no tomorrow. It's because of things and regret. There is no tomorrow. It's because of things and
Why? I can't pass through all this for her to lose the baby. It's not possible now. What is this? Why would she lose the baby? Why?
You can always have another baby.
She is not my wife.
Then make her one. Yes. After all, you are the first.
Hardship comes and goes, so value what you have. That's shredded rose today.
Where are you going to? We are going to see that. Hello, Chiamaka.
Hello, Mama.
Ogini, why are you crying?
Sister is bleeding. And we don't have money to take her to the hospital.
Why? What happened to her? And besides, take money from the shop now. What happened to the money you made from the shop?
She gave it to her boy. Mama, you need to say something. Oh, you need to say something so that we can take her to the hospital.
happened to you again? No, you won't die. Don't say that again. You won't die.
Stop crying now. Stop crying.
Alex, please. I don't know what is going on. I've been calling Pearl and she's not picking my calls. I don't know what is going on. Please, my guy, help me talk to her, please. Tell her to calm down. I'm ready to right my wrongs.
You mean she's not picking your call?
She's not. I don't know what's going on. Have you seen her?
Yeah.
Alex?
Yeah.
Alex? Pearl? What is my wife doing here?
Point of correction, I am no longer your wife.
How can you say a thing like that? I know I've wronged you. Please give me a second chance to right my wrongs. I am sorry.
I gave you a second chance. What did you do with it? You treated me like a piece of trash. I would be so foolish to give you the third chance. Then what can we have things to do, so get out.
Hello.
We have an appointment to catch. Leave.
Where is she?
What are you doing here?
I said, where is she?
You heard me. I said, what are you doing here?
I want my wife.
Stop being delusional, man. You both are divorced already.
No. Divorced? That divorce was null and void.
What?
Yes, you heard me. Where is she? Babe. Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't my decision at all. It was Auntie Agatha. Oh, that Auntie Agatha that deceived me. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. It won't happen again. Oh?
It's so despicable of you to blame other people. Paul, you are the architect of everything that happened. You're an adult. You have brain. You can make your own decision.
You're right.
Look, to be honest, I don't have anything against you. I've forgiven you. But you and I can never be together. Not in this life. Alex and I are getting married.
Gina. What?
Actually, next weekend.
No. It will never happen.
I will be so glad if you will honor my invitation because
This
you're
will not
invited.
happen. Omame. Alex. Omame.
I said, what will you do?
Alex, na Jimmy Femene.
What will you do, Paul?
Ina tamunyem. Mwade tangwa gogadike mma. And you're asking me what I will do.
Get out of my house.
Alex, you want to know what I will do, right?
You
want to know what I will do? Want me to kill you?
Get out of my house.
Hey! Go on, get out!
Allow me.
Hey! Get out!
Baby! Hey!
My home got ruined while I was away, doing what I believe was the best. Now I have lost everything. My first daughter died. All my business capital gone. Hey! Onyezilum, kodo onyezilum unkai. Pene lost the baby. I wish I could retrace my steps. Hi, wherever you are, Biko, forgive me. Malo, hey! Ijuwa. Ijuwam.
Babe, you know we have never been intimate since you started staying here.
I know.
This result, the child you're carrying in your womb, you know it's not mine.
Yes, I know.
What do you intend to do? Do you want to go back to him?
Never. I will never go back to him. I've accepted to marry you. Not even this child will make me change my mind. And let's raise this child as our first child. But that's only if you accept it.
Love you so much.
I love you with everything in me. I love you so very much.
You want job and job. Have you come for love? Now which one you do? Becky no play with my heart, yo. Oh. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. You be my lover. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, love. My daddy upon my love. Onyenkemo. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. Show you love, sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. Love is a beautiful thing when you find your soulmate. Love is real, love is kind, but when it's not genuine, it brings disaster. When it's not genuine, it brings disaster. Show me good love. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. Gina begin my love. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon my love. Show me love, I will show you love. Sweetie darling, my daddy upon